Here's our little guys. They're eating from their low-rise tray. They got doggy food in there, some canned food. Let's see, here's a little boy. Come here, get a drink. Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. They just woke up. She is so friendly. She's gonna be so beautiful. What are you doing? And here's little boy. How you doing? Oh, let me see. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. How you doing? You had a bath last night? Yes, you did good. Sorry. All right, roll in my hand. And here's the runs. Hi, baby. How you doing, girl? Oh, you're so cute. Let me see. So yeah, they're just about done their food there. This one loves to play. Not mean, she's just so lovable. Oh, that's my girl. And the black ones are just hungry this morning. Oh, they're gonna get wrestled.